Good morning, guys. It is May 23rd, 8:33. I got a haircut a few days ago. Was much needed. Weather is kind of cloudy, half and half, you know. It's not terrible, but it could be better. We're going to Awaji-Island today, which is an island that's right next to Kobe, basically. And we're gonna drive around Awaji-Island for the day and see what's up. I don't really know what Awaji-Island has, but why not? And then later tonight we might go to a barbecue that's being hosted by one of the school groups here. So I'll bring you along, and yeah, we'll see what we do. But yeah, I don't really know much. I think we're gonna go to like an onion statue and then maybe the beach. I don't know, but we'll see. So let's head out. This is pretty. These plants. Alright, we're almost at the car rental place. I got a pretzel shake. Let's go. Alright, we are at the car rental. This is our whip for tonight. Or for today, I mean. Scratch. No, I don't actually give a fuck. This is the car though. Alright. Yeah, cool. Oh. Neat. Oh, my hand was in the way.
Oh my god.
This time I'm not in the driver's seat, so it's Yuya, Ava's boyfriend. Alright, Alright, we made it to our first destination. Some whirlpool. And Naruto Park, I think? Naruto Park. It's actually not even on Awaji-Island. It's on like the very northernmost tip of Shikoku Island. So it means new prefecture. Yeah. New prefecture. Observatory. Nah, it makes no sense. We're going to an observatory. So here's the observatory of this little Naruto Park. Also, it's not Naruto Park, it's just Naruto the anime. Yeah. It's just called Naruto. Just so you know. There's the bridge. That's Awaji-Island. Awaji, and then Shikoku Island. And then down there, under the bridge, there's like a whirlpool, constant whirlpool that we're gonna, I think we can walk under the bridge there, so yeah. Alright, I'll see you down wherever. I don't know, I'll see you later. It's windy as fuck. But it looks cool. Windy, bro. Look at scary. Holy shit. And there's no whirlpool, but they did say the conditions today were not ideal for a whirlpool, but it's still really cool to see all the waves. That's pretty cool. What it sometimes looks like an actual whirlpool. Not today, but that's okay. Alright, let's get in the car. Alright, we're back on Awaji-Island. Now we're at like this onion park. So I don't know what the fuck this is, but yeah, onion park, I guess. What? Onion Christmas tree. Got a big ass onion over here. Big ass onion. I don't even know, to be honest, what there is over here. It's a bunch of stuff. Like, there's fish.
It's so loud, oh my god.
Damn, that's loud. God damn. Oh my god, bro. You went so aggressively, bro. Onion. Fucking hell. Onion piano. Onion whatever. Onion wig. Onion wall. Oh.
Onion man.
Look, I
Onion
found the
man.
tiniest bit of the onion piano. Look at
Okay, go. Hey. Onion, fucking onion. Dude, this shit is too small for me, bro.
But I covered it not best.
Yeah, you. Yeah.
It looks decent. Wait, where's the background?
Anyway, we got this big ass one. What a nice view. Yeah, that's about it. That's all the onion stuff. So, yeah. Where are we going next?
Toilet.
Yeah, alright. Alright, that was the onion place. It's interesting, I guess. Now we're gonna go to a shrine. So, yeah, let's go. Oh, little Mackie D's. Little Maccas. Oh.
Low-key, I can eat some. You want?
McDonald's? McDonald's. Alright. Little McDonald's speed run. We were fucking starving, right? But wait, do you have them? Oh shit, okay. These glasses are one use glasses. She doesn't realize that they're gone. Alright, just don't say anything until we drive away, okay? Until we drive away. Anyway, McDonald's was good. We were starving, so alright, up to the shrine. Actually. Ooh, bless you.
Unfortunately, you can't.
Alright, we are at a temple. I forgot the name. What's the name? What's the name of this temple again?
Izanagi.
Izanagi, which is like the birthplace of Japan, apparently. Why?
Original.
Original Japan. So maybe there's a board that can explain to me what that means. So let's go. And we are in are on the property, I guess. Let's take a look around. See what there is. I don't know what there is. So let's go.
Tickets?
Yeah. Want to see if he was knowledgeable too, don't they? Yeah. Smells like onions. Doesn't it smell like onions? Smells like onion, you?
What?
It smells like onions, right?
Onions?
Yeah. Onions. Butter.
Smells like shit.
Boring.
Smells like shit here.
God.
And this tree is 900 years old.
Izanagi, and the Izanami
That's kind of
is
like,
in Tokushima.
900 years.
Izanagi.
Goddamn. Damn, my camera's slowly gonna die. We got a little red bridge. Had some koi fish. I don't see any huge koi fish though, like the other few times, but I do see a white one. There's not a lot of really big ones. Last time there was a couple of fucking ginormous ones. I'm talking about like fucking huge. These are cute though.
Better with the mushroom. Where's the mushroom? You're the mushroom?
Mushroom.
Stop copying me.
I'm not copying you, bro. Little bridge. Yeah. Alright, that was the temple. Pretty? Very pretty. I feel like all temples are really pretty, honestly, in Japan. No matter how new or where you go. Yeah. Now we're gonna go, I think we're gonna go towards the north side of the island now, Awaji. Maybe they're going to a cafe. And that's it. Maybe a beach. We're going to a beach.
A bitch.
A bitch? We're going to a bitch?
Yeah, I'm going to a bitch, man. A bitch.
I can't call you that on camera.
On camera?
No, I can't call you that on
Oh
camera.
my god.
So, yeah, I don't know where we're going. I'll see you. There's an insect on my hand. I'll see you next clip. Actually, do a little transition. You haven't done that in a bit. Alright. Final destination of Awaji, just a random cafe. On the north end of the island, I think there's water like 100 meters that way. So we're right by the north end. Yeah. And then I'll show you what I get, I guess. I don't know. It's like a factory, so it's pretty cool. This is the cafe. And I got a lemon donut. Alright. Itadakimasu. Alright. That was that. Now we're gonna go. I don't know where we're going, man. Look at this little G-Wagon. What the fuck? Look at this thing. Oh, we're gonna get hit. Look at this thing. This is sick. It's like a mini G-Wagon. Look, that's cool. Yeah, right? The car is like a mini G-Wagon. That's fucking sick. Alright, anyway, I'll see you
That would be my
wherever we go.
That's crazy. Kobe and these things there.
Alright, we're at a.
We need to get there.
I don't even know what is this, like a hotel? Yeah. Up there is a nice viewpoint apparently, so we're gonna try and go up there. Ikimajo!
Jackson.
This is interesting. Looks like communist. Yo.
Okay, let's see. Mr. Jackson.
Cool.
Yo.
Now let's go up there. Looks like there's gonna be a whole lot of staircases. God damn. I wonder what this place is, dude. This is so random. It's like a resort or some shit. And then Kobe. No, that's Osaka. There, and then Kobe should be like that way. So yeah. And there's that big hotel over there. Grand Nico. Getting closer. It's right there. There it is. Almost at the final view. Kind of went around a little bit. But oh, that's Kobe. That's Kobe. Right there. Kobe. Alright, this is the last thing we'll probably do today. But there's the view. Yeah, it's stunning. This is zoomed in. So yeah, Kobe, then Osaka, spreads all the way across like that. And this is Awaji-Island. And then that's the mainland.
This is where we want.
Boom. Alright, my camera's gonna die. So. This is probably all I show. Alright, that was Awaji. We're gonna go, I think, to a barbecue. But my camera's gonna die, so I'll end it here. Yeah, Awaji-Island, good. What do you think of Awaji? What do you think of Awaji? Awaji?
Here?
Yeah.
It's good.
It's good? It's good. Anyway, I'll see you in the next video. Whenever that may be. Good afternoon. It is a few days later now from the Awaji trip. It's Monday, May 25th, 5:37. I just got back from class. To Monday, I think I already said that. And I just want to show you this because Jackson came back from Tokyo. I don't know if I'm gonna go back to Tokyo while I'm here. And I already explained to you that I want a starter Pokemon from each region, and Tokyo is in Kanto, which is Gen 1. And my Gen 1 choice is always Bulbasaur. So Jackson was there with his mom and he got me the little Bulbasaur. Technically it doesn't count really because I didn't get it myself, but this Bulbasaur came from Tokyo, so it came from Kanto, so I'm just gonna count it. Yeah, the weather is absolutely beautiful today. Look at this. Absolutely stunning. I love looking out the window. Yeah, I don't know when I'll film next because let me think. Next week we're probably gonna go to the beach, so maybe I'll film then. Or Saturday, no, not Saturday, Friday there's a party, so maybe I'll film that. I don't know, but yeah, that's all I'm gonna film because I just wanted to show you the Bulbasaur. So shout out to Jackson for getting me that, and I'll see you in the next clip. Good morning, guys. It is May 31st. Yeah, May 31st, 11:36. It is a little bit cloudy, but that's okay. It's gonna clear up later. We're gonna go to the beach today. Beach Suma, I think it's called. So I'm gonna bring you along. I haven't filmed in a bit because honestly, it's just repetitive days. You know, school, gym, same things. So yeah. So yeah, that's basically it. I'm gonna go to the beach today and I'll bring you along. So I'm making breakfast right now, or I'm gonna start making breakfast like right now. And yeah. that's it. So I'll see you on the way to the beach. Let's go. All right, this is the fit. These are my shorts. I might have some trouble with my tattoos because I believe this beach doesn't allow exposure of tattoos. So I'm bringing long pants and a jacket just in case I get told that I can't show my tattoos on the beach. But if I can, I'm just gonna wear this. And I might swim. The weather's clearing up a little bit. It's still cloudy, but it's hot, so it's okay. I'm gonna meet everyone in like 5 minutes. So I'm probably gonna head over there already because I have nothing else to do. I packed my bag. We're bringing a volleyball, and I got some other stuff like sunscreen and towel, regular shit. Yeah, so I'll see you on the way there. Alright, we're nearing the beach. Got some stocking up. Got the volleyball jacket right here. Ready? Yes, sir. Ava. Oh. Wangi, and where's me?
You can never find her. Just point the camera like this.
I need it somewhere. Anyway, we'll see you at the beach. Alright, there's a SeaWorld over there. What are you getting?
Matcha ice cream.
Matcha ice cream. See, the weather's already clearing up. It's also really hot, so.
Because I'm here.
Okay. Suma Seaside Park. Alright, let's see if I gotta cover my tattoos or not. I hope not. Alright, we made it to the beach. Jackson, do some tricks, man. Oh. Oh shit. Wait. Your fucking your thing was flying, bro. While you stole your fucking check your pulse, check your wrist.
Oh, my watch!
Yeah.
Oh shit.
Anyway, Awaji-Island is right there. That bridge, yeah. Anyway, yeah. Alright.
Have to put it the other way.
There's a B Kobe sign. Backwards. And there's the show going on over there. Playing jolly ass music. What the fuck? Yeah. That's actually really nice weather for the beach. Oh. B Kobe. Alright, we made it to the beach. Now the weather is absolutely perfect. Look at this shit. We timed it so good, dude. Because the clouds are moving away, and now it's super sunny.
Fucking perfect.
It is. Like you, man.
Yeah.
Alright, I'm gonna go get in the water.
Oh my god.
Just got back from the water.
Wait.
Very nice.
Oh yeah.
How was the water?
Nice.
You ready to fuck with this?
Yo. That's my favorite. Hey, we should use that as a profile picture for Instagram.
No. Well, there's not much more to show besides this, so come out, camera away. So you have Awaji-Island, that big bridge, and then yeah, Kobe. And then there's the water. It's pretty nice. Alright, the sun is starting to set. I went in the water 3 times. I'm cold as fuck. Just got out the water. What? There's the water. Sun is setting a little. Well, still.
I kind of want to get like a snack because I.
So we're gonna get some food. I might go change, but yeah. Beach was very nice.
Oh,
Yeah, so nice. Well, you laughing?
Alright, beach day. Changed back into some regular clothes. And yeah. Then we're gonna go eat over there at the Yurt Cafe and Barbecue Park. Yurt. Yeah. I'm hungry as a motherfucker, so let's go eat.
Appetizer, a main dish, and a dessert.
2杯目以降のお冷やはすべてセンターテーブルからお願いします。QR コードからお願いします。
She's a Dortmund fan now. Yes. A sick tattoo on his back.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Hey, you cheated.
No, I.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh,
Damn.
1, 2.
Alright, we're gonna play some cards. Alright. Just fucked up from chicken wings.
What chicken?
Alright. Itadakimasu. Okay.
Oh, that's a lot.
Now it's locked on you, man.
The birds smell back here? All the way across the water.
Alright, we got this
I'm
chocolate
ready.
coffee thing. And then one you got this mango coffee.
Alright, one of these cake.
I mean
Got
cake.
some- it's mango passion fruit, right?
Pancake. Yeah. And then this is Ava's dessert.
I have nothing.
She got nothing.
Anyone?
I have nothing. Alright, itadakimasu. Alright, we just finished eating. Look at the moon, man. I'm gonna try and. Okay, you definitely can't see this. Wait. Nah, you can't see it on the camera, but it's so yellow and like orange. Wow. Alright, we're gonna head home. Alright, this is the station. Sumi Kaihin Koen. Let's head home. Yeah. There's like no one here.
Is that closer or further?
There's the moon again, right there. Alright, I'm back home. Beach day was a success. It is 10:42 and I gotta do some homework that I gotta hand in tonight by midnight, so I gotta get that going. But yeah, the beach was good. No problems with my tattoos at all. I saw quite a lot of people actually, Japanese people with tattoos showing, so no problem. And yeah, the beach was really nice actually. It was warm, the water was nice, so it was good. But yeah, that was it for today. So I'm gonna end the video here and I'll see you whenever I see you next.